In this video, we're going to take a look at the Shargeek Storm 2. What's up, people? Welcome to the channel. So I got another pretty cool product to share with you guys. This is a product by Shargeek, and this is their Storm 2 power bank. I got everything laid out on the table here so you guys can see what comes in the box. You can get this nice quality USB-C to USB-C charging cable here, and this cable is about 5 feet long. So a nice long charging cable. You're gonna get nice portable bag here for your power bank. It's got the little cinch straps up top there. Keep everything locked in. Of course, you're gonna get your user manual. And here is a closer look at the Storm 2 by Shargeek. As you guys can see, a really unique design to this power bank. They got the see-through plastic so you guys can see all of the circuitry, the capacitors, chips, which is really kind of cool. And then if you turn it over on the side here, you can also see the batteries. It's got a little label here that these are rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, of course, and this is airline safe. So you can take this on the airlines according to Shargeek, which is nice. On the other side here, you're going to get some inputs. You're going to get your DC in and out right here. You're going to get your USB-C in and out. And then you're also going to get your USB-A, which is at the top here, and your USB-C out. So you guys got two input outputs on this side, DC and one USB-C. And then on this side, you get two outputs only, which is USB-A and then USB-C. On the other side, it has some information on the power bank, its battery capacity, and its max outputs and inputs for the USB-C, the DC, and the USB-A. Alright guys, so let's get into some of the key features of the Shargeek Storm 2 power bank. So right on the front there, it's got the intelligent IPS screen, which really kind of sets this power bank apart from a lot of the others that's on the market. With this IPS screen, it's going to give you a lot of information that you would not be able to get with other power banks. So it's really nice. It's going to give you your voltage in and out. It's going to show you your charging rate. It's going to show you the battery and board temperature, which is really nice. It does have a built-in protection for any overheating, so you don't have to worry about while you're charging your devices anything bad will happen. It's got the cool see-through design, which is really different than any other power bank that I've seen on the market. It's got a large capacity of 25,600 milliamp hours, so you're going to be able to charge a lot of different devices. You can charge an iPhone up to 4 times, your MacBook 1.5 times, your iPad 1.5 times. Your GoPro can be charged 12 times. So it's a good power bank to be able to charge a lot of devices. Another really nice feature of this power bank is it has a 100-watt max output. You'll be able to charge your items really fast compared to just other standard chargers that don't have a 100-watt max output. For instance, an Apple MacBook Pro 16 can be charged from 0 to 50% in 41 minutes. With other devices, it would take over an hour. You can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously, which is really nice. So you could charge your MacBook, you could charge your iPad and your iPhone all at the same time. All right guys, so let's take a closer look at this IPS screen that Shargeek has on their Storm 2. So right over here, you're gonna have your one power button, and this is gonna control your modes also. But as you guys can see there, a nice clear IPS screen there. It is pretty small, so it might be hard for some people to see, but it's going to have all your information. So right at the top there, it's going to display your battery capacity. Over here, you have your in and you have your out, and this is going to display your wattage for your in and out. So whether you're charging the power bank or you're charging devices, it's going to allow you to see at what charging rate you're charging them at. So right here has a little timer that you can use for charging devices. You got your temperature here. So this is going to be the temperature of the battery, and then also the circuit board. Right now it's at 61, 63, bouncing around a little bit. We are outdoors in my garage right now, so that's why the temperature is so low. Then up here you have your voltage and your amperage. So if you go ahead and you hold down the button there, it's going to take you into a settings menu. You have your DC right there, so you can adjust your DC output. You got another screen here and this is going to show you your battery info. Then below that, it's going to show you the capacity for the watt hours, how many cycles. So as you guys can see, this has already been through 2 cycles, and then the battery life, which is 100%. For the next setting menu, you can change temperature unit, Celsius or Fahrenheit. So there's your timer there. And if you want to reset your timer, you're just going to go ahead and long press it to reset it. And now you guys can see at the bottom there, it's back to zeros. Next on the menu, you can adjust the display sleep to 1 minute, 5 minutes, or off. And then you can also change the display direction. So this is pretty much just a sleep mode to turn off the screen. Next is to power it off. So you're going to use this setting just to power off the whole device, and you're going to long press to confirm that. And then the last but not least is to exit out of the menu. And to exit, you just long press to confirm, which I'll do here. So it's going to take you out of the settings back to your normal screen here. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and plug in my tablet here just so you guys can see how it works. Pretty simple. You're just going to plug it in like any power bank. And then you guys can see right on the front there, there it is. It's going to show you the wattage. The wattage is a little over 6 watts right now, according to the Storm 2. And then if we look at my tablet, it should be fast charging. So we'll go ahead and turn this on. So go ahead and check. And as you guys can see right there, it does say that this is currently fast charging. It'll take 1 hour, 42 minutes to fully charge. Now this doesn't do super fast charging, but we'll go ahead and plug my phone in and I'll show you that. And this is a Samsung Galaxy Fold 4. So there's my phone. And as you guys can see, it says super fast charger connected. So pretty nice, really quick way to be able to charge your devices with this portable power bank. All right, guys, so I went ahead and hooked up all 3 devices here. We got an Android tablet, we got a laptop there, and then we got my GoPro Hero 10, I think this is, yep, Hero 10. So we got everything plugged in the side of the power bank. I'm using USB-C, the 100 watt here for the laptop. I'm using USB-A for the tablet. And then the other USB-C underneath there is going to the GoPro. Every single device is being charged. There's the laptop, shows it's being charged. Go ahead and show the tablet here. It does show that is charging. And then obviously the GoPro has the little red light on there, so that is charging also. All right, so while we got all 3 of these devices charging at the same time, let's go ahead and look at the screen here and see what kind of information we'll be able to get from this. Up top here, it shows that it's got all 3 devices being charged. So it's got your USB-C, USB-C, and then USB-A. And you'll be able to scroll through all of these outputs separately, which is nice. So right now at the bottom here, it shows USB-C 1. For USB-C 1, it's putting 42, a little over 42 watts out, and this is what's connected to my laptop. We have USB-C 2 here, which is going to be what my GoPro is hooked up to, and that's a little bit over 7 watts there. So you can easily just scroll through each one of the outputs by hitting this yellow button here. It's going to USB-A, your total. You can hit roll, and if you leave it on roll, it's going to automatically scroll through each one of those devices on its own. As you guys can see there, just switched from USB-C 1 to USB-C 2. Now it's USB-A, and now it's total. So if you don't want to manually hit that button, the yellow button over here, to scroll through, you can put it on roll, and it's just going to roll through each one of those outputs and the total. So really nice to be able to monitor your outputs, and then also be able to monitor your temperature for your batteries and for the circuit board, your voltage, your amperage, your batteries up here for the capacity of the battery. Right now it's at 33%. So nice informative IPS screen. I really like this add-on for the Shargeek Storm 2. All right, guys, so the next thing I want to show you, even though this power bank can output to your devices 100 watts, it also can receive an input charge of 100 watts. So like I said earlier, if you have a power brick or something like that that can charge up to 100 watts, you can use that to charge this device. Currently right now I don't have a power brick, but I do have this EcoFlow power station here. that has a max output of 100 watts through USB-C, which I currently have that going to the Storm 2, and the Storm 2 is inputting or being charged at a little over 94 watts according to the information on this IPS screen. On the screen on the EcoFlow, it says 92 watts output. So a little bit of a different reading there, but still almost 100 watts there that this is inputting to recharge these Samsung batteries that are built into this power bank. So really nice to be able to pretty much fast charge this, or super fast charge this power bank. And it should only take about 90 minutes to charge this power bank at 100 watt output. So really nice quick way to charge this Storm 2. Alright guys, so there you go, a review of the Shargeek Storm 2. If you guys are interested in a really well built, high quality, portable power bank, definitely take a look at this. They sell these on Amazon and also on their website. I'll make sure I put links in the description box below. If you guys are interested in one of these, click on that link to find out more information or maybe even to purchase one of these. I know I'm really happy with this. I think it's really high quality, great build, and I like the charging capacity and the fast charge that this offers. Hopefully you guys found this video useful. If you did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. You guys got any comments or questions, go ahead and post them below. I do my best to answer those. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you on the next one.